Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this really easy butterfly painting. I'm painting my canvas white, and with the paint still wet, I'm preparing my paints for the green leafy background that we're going to create. All the paints that I'm using today are mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, so they're a fairly thick consistency. I'm twisting the balloon around in the paint a little bit to get the colors to blend slightly, and then just gently pressing down on the canvas and carefully lifting the balloon directly back up. By the way, you don't need to paint the canvas white beforehand. I just thought it might make the paint a bit tacky and help create more pronounced markings when applying the balloon to it. I'm not really sure if it's helping or doing that, but that was the thought process behind it. The paint is dried, so we're ready to use the cute butterfly stencil. I'm keeping it in place on the canvas with a few pieces of painter's tape. To get ready to create a nice raised stencil effect, I'm laying down some Liquitex gloss gel, and to that I'm adding some brilliant yellow paint. I'm not mixing these in any particular ratio. You can see roughly how much paint I have in relation to the gel. With that ready, I'm going to start by applying a layer of the Liquitex gloss gel by itself. Two things I like about doing this is, one, it dries clear, so even if you accidentally get a little bit under the stencil, it won't be very noticeable because it's clear. And two, because I'm adding this layer and then another one on top of it, it helps to create an extra raised stencil effect, which you'll see when I remove the stencil. On top of that, I'm applying the mixture of yellow paint and gloss gel that you saw me mixing earlier. Okay, so let's see how it turns out. It turned out pretty well. Let's just fix this little piece. I thought adding a slight shade of orange might be nice. To do that, I'm just adding a tiny bit of orange paint to parts of the butterflies. I like the green background. To me it kind of looks like plants in the background with little yellow butterflies in the front. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.